messing with you. Oh. We're just going to congratulations. Thank you. Bourbon Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Can we get some pictures? Absolutely. Yep. Tell me what you need. Bluegrass Cup winner comes out of the Bourbon Select Six.
Do it. Now we'll do it. Let's do it from this side right here. Yeah, right there. On the other side. On the other side.
2026 Bluegrass World of Wheels Custom Car Show. We have here one of the Bourbon Select Six winners, a 1963 Corvette owned by Dan Patrone. It has the bumpers sunk into the body, which is completely fascinating. Beautiful bright orange. Dan is from Youngstown, Ohio. This was built by Pro Comp Custom. It's a little bit of information. You can pause the video if you'd like to see a little bit more of the details. Transmission's a turbo 400, 434 cubic inch engine. '26 Bluegrass World of Wheels Custom Car Show Bluegrass Bourbon Select Six winner.